Hey, what's up guys? Zach back here with another video. Today, we're going to be opening this trainer's toolkit. Well, so let's get right into it. My tooth is a little wiggly today, so you might see me like wiggling my thing around. It's so wiggly, it's about to come out. I know it might come out in this video. Don't know. We're about to open this. We just got it from Target. Making like videos every day, bro. Okay, so we got chips, dice, and then we got our 4 packs. We got Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, Sword and Shield, Sword and Shield Rebel Clash, and then another Sword and Shield Rebel Clash. Then we got sleeves, lots and lots of energies, and then we got our other cards, which have like this Dedenne GX. And then we got these 2 booklets and a white code card. Any of you want to get that? Here's your chance. I'm going to open this Sword and Shields one first. So let's get right into it. White code card. Okay. You want to cop that? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't see anything foily. It might be Double, Dugtrio, Grookey, Sobble, Rhyhorn, Roselia, Forseed. I don't know how to say that. And Hollow Cinderace. Okay, that's our first pack so far done. There's the code card, just another time for you to cop that. I'm gonna try this one right here. White code card. Again. There's the code. There's the code. One, 2, 3, 4. I see something foily. It's a good card. Copraja V. Looks pretty weird. That's pretty good. Set that to the side. We got these. We got Sword and Shield and Sword and Shield's Rebel Clash packs opening. We got 2 more. I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one feels lighter. I'm gonna go with the heavy one after. I thought that was gonna be a VMAX for a second. I was like, no way. I thought like, no way, out of this $30 box. Green code card. I'm just gonna go in and open it all. There's the code. Let's just go in. And our rare is that. That's our rare right there. Porygon 2. Okay. That's a good card. I mean, I'm not complaining. And then Cutie Fly. Okay. The last pack. Sword and Shield's Rebel Clash. Hopefully, it's a white code card. Hoping. Please, Lord. It's a green code card. There it is. I guess we'll just do this. I mean, whatever. Better energy, we're just gonna go in for it. And our rare is Seismitoad. Then our hollows Voltorb, Galarian Corsola, Galarian Meowth, Galarian Farfetch'd. We're getting tons of Galarians, bro. That's weird. That is really weird. Well, anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.